This model kit review is of the 1957 Thunderbird, or T-birg, and it is a 1/25th scale model by AMT there. And there are three different versions. You can do the convertible version, the hardtop version, or the custom version. Shows you've got an engine, got the custom fastback version, the hardtop, some custom rims, a hood scoop, and some bezels there. Over here we've got the parts listings there, and shows you the two other versions there, the hardtop version and the custom version. So let's have a look inside and see what we've got. Well, it looks like we've got two metal axles here for our wheels. Let's have a look at our body here. So I guess the wheels will be free rolling. Here we've got these kind of pieces put together. We've got our main body, which has got some fairly significant mold lines here. It's all going to need to be smoothed over. We do have some recessed panel lines here for our trunk. This is a little thin. This is going to need to be deepened for the panel line accent, but you can see we've got the Thunderbird logo there. Can't quite see it as it's all made out of white. Here's the mold lines here. It's kind of disappointing there. It's going to require a lot of sanding, and the worry is that you end up sanding off something important, so you have to be very careful with that. And we've got some details here for our engine bay. Here is the cabin, the interior with our seats, and then we've got our chassis here with molded in exhausts and spare tire, fuel tank, and our drive shaft and axle. This is an old mold, and you can tell that because all the modern molds have protective sprues and have parts free like this. So here's the wraparound console and dashboard. Side of the doors there. You can see it's got a lot of stuff that's going to require work there. Now here's the fastback version. That's kind of cool looking. I think I might end up doing that option. And then we've got that must be part of our, I don't know what that's from actually. Here's our hood scoops. Got a hose here. Here's another hood. And then there's the hard top and the spare tire with that logo there. But you can see lots of flashing here. Here we've got steering wheel, and you can see what that part's for. I don't really know. I'll have to look in the instructions and see there. Here we've got our wheels, or the one side of the wheels at least. Over here we've got maybe part of a stand, it looks like, for the engine, because they did have an engine stand in here. And then we've got our engine here with transmission, exhaust headers, lots of mold lines. It's an old kit, it's going to require a lot of work to put it together. Some more wheel parts there, and not sure what that's for here. So let's have a look. There's a lot of chrome in this one here. It's several chrome pieces. So we've got this chrome here, which is the front bumper, the rear bumper, also a surround here for our windshield. It's very smooth. Looks like we've got parts here for our dials right there, and we've got 3 different wheel types there. And over here we've got more engine parts. So they've got another engine here with this is all chromed out, and then we've got a little car. That's kind of cute actually. There's a little car there with plenty more engine parts. There's our oil pan, air intake, and so on. Probably a lot of this is going to have to be stripped down anyway. Okay, here we've got our tyres. We've got the standard Goodyear as well as the white wall tyres. We've got options there. Here's our glass, front windshield, rear windshield, and part for the hard top there. Now we've got some decals, so let's look at those. And wow, those are kind of pretty decals. So you've got 2 options, it looks like. One with the bird and one with the flames. Or you could just not do either. Okay, and then let's look at our instructions here. As you said, this is a really old kit. Okay, we've got the engine build there. Putting our wheels together. Then putting the interior together. We've got the option of having a phone there. That's old school. Then mounting that inside the body. Mounting the engine and wheels on the chassis, as well as the axles. There's the engine stand if you're going to have a separate engine. And then putting the exterior on. So this is the windshield surround with the windshield, the headlights, front grille, fender skirts. That's what those are, is fender skirts. Okay. And then options of roofs if you want. And then putting the tail on, the tail bumper, bumper extension, and then the the spare wheel, and then some additional details here for the engine. So we've got option 1 and 2 here for decals, and those are all really cool looking. There's the colors needed. So even though it's an old kit, that'll definitely be a fun build.